Many people have great ideas in their minds, but they still fail. Do you know why? Because they are afraid to take action. One of the things that separates successful and rich people from others is bravery. Bravery doesn't just mean fighting or winning battles. It's not only needed in wars. Bravery also plays an important role in our daily lives. In this video, we will learn how bravery helps us in life and success. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos and information. Many people cannot achieve success because they are not able to make brave decisions. They have good ideas, they have dreams, but they don't move forward. Why? Because they are scared. One big fear is the fear of failure. People think, what if I try and it doesn't work? This fear stops them from even starting. But the truth is, failure is a part of learning. Every successful person has failed at some point. The difference is, they didn't give up. Another fear is the fear of people's opinions. Many people worry too much about what others will say. They think, what if people laugh at me? Or what if they think I'm not good enough? This fear also holds them back. There are some important points that can help you in developing bravery. These points are not just meant to be heard once and forgotten. You must listen to them carefully, write them down in your personal diary, and remind yourself of them every day. Building bravery is not the work of a single day. It takes time, effort, and consistency. To truly benefit from these points, you should read and review them at least 3 times a week. Repeating them regularly will help you build a strong mindset and develop the courage to face challenges with confidence. 1. Keep your decisions and actions private. One of the biggest reasons people lose confidence is because they let others know too much about their plans too soon. When you tell everyone what you're planning to do, they may start giving opinions, judging you, or even making fun of your ideas. This can make you feel nervous or unsure. Sometimes people don't support you, not because you're wrong, but because they can't see your dream the way you do. That's why it's wise to stay quiet in the beginning. Keep your actions private until you have something strong to show. Silence protects your energy and keeps you away from unwanted pressure. Work step by step without sharing too soon. Big goals are not achieved in one day. They require time, patience, and effort. It's like building a house, one brick at a time. When you take small, steady steps, you make better decisions and avoid mistakes. But if you keep telling others about every step, their reactions might slow you down. Some may praise you too early, and that can make you relax before the job is done. Others might criticize you, which can break your confidence. To stay brave, focus on the process. Let your results speak for you in the end. This also builds self-trust and mental strength. 3. Hope for the best, but be ready for the worst. Being brave does not mean ignoring fear or problems. It means being strong enough to face them. A smart and brave person always hopes for a good result, but also prepares for any difficulty. If you only expect success, you might be shocked when something goes wrong. But if you are ready for both success and failure, you stay calm and handle every situation wisely. This attitude gives you peace of mind and helps you bounce back quickly if things don't go as planned. It teaches you to keep going with balance and strength. 4. If you fail, try something new. Failure is not something to fear. It's a lesson. Every time you fail, you learn what doesn't work, and that knowledge brings you closer to what does. Many people fail once and never try again. But brave people, that success often comes after many failures. If one idea fails, try another. If one path is blocked, find a new road. There are always more chances, more options, and more ways to reach your dream. The most important thing is to never give up. Keep your courage alive and keep moving forward. Don't overthink your work. Our mind is powerful, but it can also be our biggest enemy if we let it control us too much. Overthinking creates doubt and fear. You may start asking yourself too many what if the why questions. What if I fail? What if I look foolish? What if I'm not good enough? These thoughts don't help, they stop you. Overthinking can turn small problems into big fears. Instead of thinking too much, start doing. Action is the best way to kill fear. When you take the first step, your brain starts focusing on the task and the fear goes away. Brave people don't wait for the perfect time. They start and learn along the way. Bravery doesn't always mean doing something big. Sometimes it's just taking one small step forward, even when things feel scary or unclear. No one becomes confident overnight. It's the quiet, everyday actions that slowly build strength. Big dreams don't need to be shared with everyone. It's okay to work in silence while building something strong. Not everyone will understand the vision, and that's perfectly fine. Let the results speak when the time is right. Progress doesn't have to be fast. Even slow steps can lead to great change. What matters most is staying consistent and not giving up. Every small effort is a sign of growth, even when no one else sees it. Fear and doubt show up on every journey. But courage means moving forward anyway, even when the heart feels unsure. Mistakes might happen, but they are part of learning. There's no need to be perfect. Just be willing to try again. Hard days will come. Some plans might fail, but that doesn't mean the dream is over. A different path can still lead to the same goal. It's okay to rest. It's okay to pause. What matters is not stopping for good. Success isn't about doing everything right. It's about showing up, trying again, and learning along the way. Even quiet progress is powerful. There is no need to rush. Real things take time. Every person grows at their own pace. There will be times when quitting feels easier. But remember, growth often happens just after the hardest moments. Even one brave step each day can make a big difference over time. Let comparison go. Everyone has a different path. Focus on what matters. Focus on the goal. Celebrate small wins. They are the building blocks of big success. Let the mind stay calm and the heart stay strong. Let fear lose its power with every brave action. Stay honest, stay patient, and stay willing to try again. Great things take time, effort, and a little courage each day. So keep going, keep believing, keep building, quietly, bravely, one step at a time.